Yeah, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yeah, so Emancipation, they were out having a good time. The most vibiest place in Jamaica is in the ghetto. It's the good and the bad, but the most vibes you're gonna have, the most fun, is when you're in the ghetto, I'm telling you. So we're here, having a good time. We're listening to Mad Out by Valiant. But you already know YouTube and the copyright can't play the music. But yeah, we're having a good time. Have a bottle of Tito's. Tito's about 40%. So that's all you need. The liquor is in his head. The liquor is in his head. Yeah. That's the uncle right there. Yeah, man. Most vibes is always in the ghetto, man. So I came to celebrate my birthday, so I had to stop, Emancipation Day. You know, so we're having fun. This girl was dancing, so you had to tip her. She was dancing up a storm, so you had to give her a tip. Yeah, I had a good time, and it was surprising too. I didn't really expect that such a good time, but we had a really good time, man. I slept good. Yeah, I love this. Everybody's just having a good time, enjoying the liquor, enjoying each other's company. We're listening to Valiant's Mad Out. Yeah. Can't say enough about it. Just had a good time. If I tell you what where this neighborhood is, most people will tell you don't. This is on Maxfield. A lot of people tell you don't go. So I know someone that was keeping something. So after I left Maxfield, I just swing by, but I was early. This was around 11. I was early. I just came to give my support. I didn't stay very long. So, sound is string up. Just waiting for the people to come in, come shell the bar, spend some money. That's the person that's keeping the party right there. Yeah, and that's me trying to get a little vibes. But this is it for me though. After this, I'm heading home.